To lock apps on Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 8, what you can do is you can set up the secure folder and then you can use it as a way to lock apps. So let's go ahead and open settings, and then we're gonna scroll down a little bit and we need to find security and privacy. Then over here, go to more security settings, and then here we have the secure folder. Over here, scroll down and tap on continue, and then we need to grant all of these permissions. So once again, scroll down and choose to continue. Now we need to wait a couple of seconds, and soon we should be able to set up the password. So let's wait for that. Alright, and now we can choose the password type that you want to use for the secure folder. In my case, I'm just gonna set up a simple pattern. There we go. Of course, we need to enter our password twice in order to confirm. Besides that, we can use our Samsung account to allow the lock reset. So in case you forget the password to the secure folder, you will have the option to recover it. So I'm gonna allow this and tap on next. Over here, we can also choose what should happen when the secure folder is locked. So you can choose to let apps run in the background, or you can close all apps if you lock the secure folder. I'm gonna allow the activity. Over here, we also have information about the fact that you can hide the secure folder. So let's tap on done, and you should be in the secure folder. Now, the secure folder itself can be found here in the app drawer, so you can easily find it. Now, how you can lock apps with the secure folder? The idea is very simple. You can use this plus button over here to install apps in the secure folder, and you will see that you have the list of all apps that you have on your phone. So if you already have an app installed, the app that you want to lock on your phone, then you can select it from this list. Let's say I'm gonna choose Netflix and Instagram, and let's tap on add. There we go. Now these apps have been installed in the secure folder, and this is the important part. It is installed, or these apps have been installed, not moved, which means that if I exit the secure folder, I can still find these apps on my phone. So they are technically locked, but not yet. Of course, locked behind the secure folder password. So if I lock the access to the secure folder, and if I try to open any of the app that I have inside the secure folder, naturally I need to enter the password first to continue. But besides that, you should be able to add the shortcut to the home screen in case you want to have a quicker access to a specific app from the secure folder. So if you don't care about hiding the app, you can just add it to the home screen so then you can easily open it from here. Of course, the password is going to be required as long as the secure folder is actually locked. You can lock the secure folder manually by using these three dots on the right side, and here we have lock and exit, or you can go to settings, and then here we have the auto lock option, and here you can decide after what time the secure folder should be automatically locked. It's up to you how you want to set it up. So, as I said, now we have those apps, of course, locked in the secure folder. But what about those apps that we have here? Well, we can simply uninstall them, simply because whatever you have inside the secure folder is completely separated from everything that you have outside of the secure folder. So the secure folder has its own, let's say, environment, its own space, with own data, and this includes apps that you have in the secure folder. Whatever you do in these apps over here, it does not affect these apps outside of the secure folder. So this also means that you can use completely different accounts, for example, use different settings, and so on and so forth. Besides that, you don't have to have an app installed to be able to install the app in the secure folder, because if you use the plus again, then here at the top you can see that we have the option to go to the Play Store or Galaxy Store, and these apps look exactly the same and work exactly the same as normal Play Store and Galaxy Store, but the difference is that whenever you install from here, it is going to be installed in the secure folder, not on your phone in general, so you will not see apps here, but only in the secure folder. So of course you can skip installing apps on your phone using the Play Store, for example, over here, and then going to the secure folder, and so on and so forth. You can just simply go straight into the secure folder and install apps over there. And before you actually remove those apps, it is of course recommended to set up your apps in the secure folder first, so that you don't lose any data or anything like that. You can be, of course, certain that everything can be set up before you can move on to the secure folder, of course. Now, so once you are ready, you can press and hold your finger on these apps that you don't want to have access to outside of the secure folder, and you can uninstall them. So I'm gonna uninstall Instagram, and I'm gonna uninstall Netflix. There we go. And if I go to the secure folder, as you can see, I still have these apps. I can still open them, and it works just fine. So that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.